Today we're looking at Halloween phonics. Let's get spooky. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. We're preparing for Halloween reading CVC words. Bat, b-a-t, bat, bat. This is a bat. This is a bat. Cat, k-at, cat. Cat. This is a cat. Owl. Ow. Owl. 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 The owl is big. The owl is big. Witch. W-I-C-H. Witch. Witch. The witch is small. The witch is small. That was the witch. Crow. K-r-o. Because it's at the end. Crow. Crow. The crow is cute. Cute. K-u-t. It's the split digraph. K-u-t. The crow is cute. Spooky. S-p-oo-k. And if it's got a Y at the end, it's the E sound. Sp-oo-key. Spooky. Ooh, spooky. The house is spooky. House. H-ow-s. House. The house is spooky. Spooky house. Candy. K-a-n-d-y. Candy. Candy. Candy is sweet. S-w-e-e-t. Sweet. Candy is sweet. Cape. K-a-p. Now, if it did not have the E on, it would be cap. Cap. But the magic E is there to change that A to an A sound. Cape. Cape. It's the orange cape on the cat. Ape. A cat hid in the cape. A cat hid in the cape. Mummy. Mummy. M-a-m-e. Mummy. Yes. Mummy. The mummy is funny. Oh my gosh. The mummy is funny. Cloak. K-o-o-k. Cloak. So it's digraph blend. O. K. Consonant cluster. K-o-k. Cloak. Cloak. The man had a red cloak. Black cat. Now, we've already done cat, so let's look at black. B-l-a-k. Black cat. There it is. Black cat. The black cat has a hat. The black cat has a hat. Cobweb. Cobweb. So you can break that word into two because it's got two syllables. Cobweb. K-o-b. Cob. W-e-b. Web. Together. Cobweb. Cobweb. The cobweb is black. Broomstick. Another compound word. Broom. Stick. B-r-o-o-m. Broom. S-t-ick. Stick. Split that word up. If it's too big, split that word up. Broom. Stick. Broomstick. Two syllables. Together, it's a broomstick. Broomstick. The broomstick is big. And that's the broomstick flying through the air. Broomstick is big. Thank you so much for watching today. I want to wish you all a happy Halloween. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more fun classes like this. See you again next time. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye-bye.